Hello, this is David Cherry, and what we're talking about is how to create a multi-line array in Python. All right, and what you see here on the my notepad right here is the actual code from beginning to end on creating a multi-line array. Okay, now the array is right here. Okay, this is the array right here, and it's a multi-line array. Now, the key to creating the multi-line array is to remember that when you create an array, you're going to have it in double quotes, if it's not a number, okay? And so you have to have it in double quotes if it's not a number, like as a string, okay? So you have your double quotes. And then what you do is you put a comma, you break it with a comma through here, okay? So this is the code for creating a multi-line array right here. And that's how you do it. Okay. And then I use a for statement to print out the array in Python. And so here's your for statement to do it. And this is pretty much the same thing. It does pretty much the same thing as a PHP for each statement. So if you're looking for an equivalent for a PHP for each statement, you want to use the for X. Okay, and then what I do is I print it out using this, and this here's a concatenation operator, okay, for printing out the break statement. Now concatenation, I'm saying it incorrectly, operators are very important in Python, but it's not as easy as it is in PHP, and so we'll have to do a study at some point in the future on concatenation operators. Forgive me, I'm having a problem, I never ever said it right. To do that correctly, considering all possibilities. And so anyway, but this works right here for the moment, okay? And so anyway, that's another explanation another day. So if you want to create a PHP, not PHP, but a Python array, then this is how you'll do it. This is the basic code right here, okay, with a Python array where the array is not on one line but multiple lines in code, and you always have to put a comma after it. You see that little comma? You always have to do this, put out a comma after it. Okay, now when you print out the array, it will look like this, as you see right here where my cursor's at, okay? And and that's how it'll look out. So anyway, that's how you print out a multi-line array in Python. And all the other code that you see right here on my text file, I've already explained earlier, that you call this the shebang line, okay? And the shebang line is necessary for the path of Python. It needs to know where to find the path, and when Python's installed using the executable, it will go into your users directory in your application data file, on your system. And so you'll need to have that path in order for the Python to script. And then this line here is for the content type that is being sent out, since it's not going to be done on the command line as a command line program. It's actually going to print it out as an HTML document for you. Okay. And so anyway, for one other thing, for a start, okay. Let me go ahead and point this out, okay? And so when you put in, your path, this is what the path will look like on your browser, for wherever you put your scripts at, okay? So anyway, let's go back up here. So that's basically how you do it. Create a multi-line array in Python. This is David Cherry. I hope you like my tip, and you have a good day. Give me a thumbs up and let other people know about me. Thank you very much.